How to restart phone without using button in Samsung mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to restart your phone without using the power buttons, then simply swipe down to your control center, and here you can see the power off icon. Now click on it and then click on restart. And another way to restart your phone without using button is open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on accessibility and then click on interaction. Now here you can see the option assistant menu. Now turn it on. After turn on this button, then the square icon appear on your screen. Now click on it and then move to second page, and then here you can see the option power off menu. Now click on it and then here you can restart your device. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.